Every time my mom says take care before a flight, I just smile. Because for me, taking care is more than just my job.
Back blows, check.
Are you choking? Bend forward.
You see it in the way we train. It starts when we check every detail. So you feel safe before you even know it. Because taking care means more than just watching over. We're not just looking after seat numbers, we're caring for the people in them. Because in the end, care isn't just what we do. It's who we are. Air India, committed to you.